With a very nice collection.
And the silver. Most valuable antiques are old friends.
Yeah.
Yep.
Hi. Hello. She's so cute. Ay, gustong gusto ko yun. Ang ganda. Ang collections nila. Doon pa sa loob. Wow. Damage the Blue Mountain Battery. Please ask for assistance. Wow, this is Blue Mountain Battery. Look at that. So nice. Sister Louise. Sister Louise. Look at this. Right? Oh no. I'm getting crazy now.
Blue Mountain pottery.
Yeah. Look at that. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Beautiful in Tagalog is maganda. Maganda. So beautiful.
Oh, that's a big dome.
Yeah. Wow. Yes. So nice
They've got lots
collection.
of paintings. Wow.
Yeah. They do. Hmm? They are all antique collection. Yeah. Oh, wow. Lahat po yan antique as in. Pero ang mahal.
That's all been
Like,
hand painted
Nice.
and everything too.
yeah.
Wow.
It's customized. Right?
Yeah.
Hmm? Ayan. Yeah. Hmm? Ganda. It's worth it that we have waited for them, so we have explored. Yeah?
Yeah.
It's amazing. Wow. All I can say is wow.
Yes.
Huh?
Well,
Right?
I must admit, it is wow.
Yeah, it is a wow.
They've certainly got some beautiful.
Mm. Yeah.
Oh, that's used gold. Oh, it's a cake stand. Oh my goodness. Yeah. It's a big cake stand.
Yeah. A cake stand, yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
Goodness.
The antique store.
Oh yes, I used to have those always.
Mm.
Oh, that's a nice.
Yeah, nice painting, no?
It is a painting.
Yeah, so nice. Mm.
It looks
Amazing.
like it's done on velvet or something.
Yep. Nakaka-amaze. Imagine mo ha, lahat antique. O, tingnan mo yan. Galing. Yan, o. Oh, may napili na kayo? Yan. This one is cute. Royal Winton. What's that? Cream wigs plate. Galing, oh. Ang ganda. Mr. Luis, look at this. This one is nice.
Oh, yeah, that's
Yeah?
pretty, isn't it?
Oh, look at the picture. Hmm? Pretty. And this one too.
Oh, I've got one of these.
Ah?
I've got one of those.
Ah.
My auntie gave it to me.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
I've still got it. Yeah.
Until now? It's cute.
Yeah, I've still got it. She used to keep all her sweets in it.
Oh, yeah.
It's called the sweet jar.
Sweet jar.
Yeah.
Ah, nice.
Yeah, that's exactly the same colour as my one.
Oh. So nice.
Oh, there's all the orange stuff. Yes, we used to
Yes.
have lots of that.
Mm.
That was all the rage in the 60s.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
No? Wow. It's cute.
Yeah.
So beautiful. Maybe we can open it.
No, I don't think so. I think it'll probably be locked.
Ah. Wow. Look at that.
Yeah, they used to make a lot of that stuff.
So
I used to have a
beautiful.
couple of dishes made out of that.
Oh?
Mm.
How much is that? But not that expensive.
Well, they've got
$75.
horses. They've got horses' heads on them.
Yeah.
Glass.
Yeah.
I think it's
Amazing.
glass, but they colour it somehow.
Mm-hmm. Hmm? But not that expensive. $75. Wow. Wow na lang talaga ang masabi ko. It's wow. Yeah, wow. Wow, wow.
Sister ship to the Titanic.
I think Sister Shona will love this. Ang ganda, no? Kaya nga sabi ko, diba, it's really worth it to travel and spend time to see cultures and collections ng ibang places. You will be amazed. Look at that.
Oh, I like those blue vases.
Yeah. The Royal Navigation something.
Oh, and a green set.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, my sister would love that. She
Yes.
loves green.
What's this? Oak bedside? Ano the cabinet?
Bedside cat. Oh, that's
This one.
Mm.
Ah, this one is at least not that heavy, you know?
Mm.
Yeah. Just the perfect one. So cute. Yeah.
They need to do a bit of dusting.
Yeah.
It's a bit dusty there.
It's nice.
Jug and six
How much?
glass is 120. Oh,
120 a set.
yeah.
Ah, not bad. Oh, look at this.
Yeah, that's a whole serving set as well. So
Yeah.
that's a whole dinner set with
Yeah.
the dishes and everything, and the soup bowls.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow. It's just
795.
55 pieces. Wow.
So you'd buy the whole thing, really.
You
wouldn't
buy the whole thing. But it's worth it,
Wow. Yeah.
right?
Because I mean, my mum and dad had all that as a wedding present. You know, like they were given a whole set like
Yeah.
that when they got married.
So where is it now?
Oh, it's all broken up,
Ah,
different pieces. Yeah.
Because it's
Because
a
they
long
had-
time ago.
They had sets like that. They had the two bowls like that.
Oh.
Then they had all. I don't think they had.
They
the
call
soup.
that as a royal. What's that? Royal.
Oh, it's a Royal Dalton.
Yes, Royal Dalton. Is it known
Yeah,
here?
That's an English
Oh,
company.
Oh,
So it's Royal
okay.
Dalton. Yeah.
but it's so nice.
That-
You know, the color
Anything
is just
Royal Dalton is worth a lot of money. Yeah.
yeah. Really?
That was the dinner set to have was Royal Dalton.
Wow. So
Yep.
maybe those people who love to collect, they knew the brand.
Yeah, and
Wow,
That's probably what the
ganda.
Queen had.
The Queen?
Yeah, I'm sure she would have had Royal Doulton.
Oh.
'Cause it was-
So if we can have this, it's like,
Yeah.
we live like a queen. Wow.
Yeah, because it's got the Queen's.
The Queen's logo.
Yeah.
Oh.
Royal Doulton.
It's just amazing.
Yeah.
It's just worth to have.
I don't think I've got anything Royal Doulton.
If I come back, I'll need to.
Look at that lamp. Isn't it?
Yes. This set as well is nice.
Yeah, I'm not that keen on that.
Yeah, because
It's
I'm
too.
colorful.
Yeah.
Yeah?
too colourful.
Yeah.
There's certainly a lot to it. Oh, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Can be.
4, 5 jugs. 1, 2,
Wow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 jugs.
Amazing. Talaga lang. Nako. Pag-ipunan ko to, I will save money for this. Oh, you have 1 or 2? Yeah? Just
Yeah.
1 or 2?
Oh, they're cute little chairs, aren't they?
Yes. Yeah. If you will sit there, you're like a queen. You're like a queen.
The Society of
Yeah.
Golfers at Blackheath.
It's worth the waiting today. We got to see this.
I mean, this is what all our ancestors, they used to have all this sort of stuff in their homes, eh? Oh,
Yeah.
That's one of those bobbin, what they call bobbin chairs. Yep,
Oh,
bobbin twist chair.
this one?
Yeah. Yeah, the antiques dealer that I watch on TV, he finds a lot of those in all the Victorian houses.
Ah,
He finds quite a few of those bobbin chairs. I've never seen them before until
really?
I saw them on his program.
Ah,
So they are. Yeah, so they do.
wow, they do have.
So we do have them out here, obviously.
It's only few collection, not so many.
Wow.
Yeah.
So now I can say I've seen one.
Yeah, at least. Can I also sit there and can you please take me a video? So at least I have sit there.
Oh, okay.
I have experience, They said. Hi. At least I have experience to sit here.
Is it on video now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it on video now? This one is
She's sitting in
nice.
the bobbin chair.
Yeah. What's the name of the chair?
Bobbin.
Bobbin chair. So this is known for.
Yeah, it's a Victorian
Ah.
style of making chair. Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a lot of them in the UK. He finds a lot of them, this antique dealer.
Wow.
When
So
he
I
travels.
got to sit here.
Yeah.
It's so nice. Thank you.
Okay, that must be Violet.
Yeah. And yeah, see? Oh, nakaupo rin ako dyan. This is bobbin twist chair. Yeah. Oh, sa UK lang daw ito. And sa mga royal, ganyan lang daw. Kasama itong chair. Yeah. O, diba? At least nakaupo tayo doon.
We have arrived. Okay.
Ah, you have arrived. Okay. So, oh, this one. You said, sir, we are here in the antique store.
Yeah, I'll just
Ganda talaga. Ganda lang din mag-ipon, no? Yung may konti. You have a few of this. Collection lang. We're okay. Yeah, so the name of the store is Antique